Hi, I'm Ashish Sawhny. So anyone who knows me knows how absolutely petrified I am about anything to do with dental treatment. So much so that as a child I refused to go to a dentist, which explains some of the way my teeth are. So it's been a huge relief and an absolute pleasure to discover Aakaar Dentistry with Dr. Dhananjay and Dr. Ankita. I've just had my teeth cleaned. Wish I had done it earlier, and it was such a pain-free, stress-free, and almost bizarrely relaxed experience. The technology is extremely high-tech and amazing. Dr. Ankita is like a therapist come dentist because she really makes you feel at ease and will not do anything until you give her the go-ahead, which is really important. Even consent, even in a dental clinic, is very important. So I just want to tell all my friends and family and everyone I know and everyone I'm going to meet that please come to Aakaar Dentistry. It's really superbly conveniently located in Bandra, so you have absolutely no excuse about, I'm not going to leave Bandra. And I'm hoping that my smile looks better, and I'm looking forward to getting actually quite a lot of work done. And who knows, we might bump into each other at the clinic. Bye.